got me, right, Brady? Brady, you got me?
We're clear.
Brady, be advised you are second physical truck on the road, 2 minutes, 24 seconds behind the leader.
Brady took 80 gallons at this pit stop. 0 gallons.
26? Here it comes, hey, watch out, watch out!
80 gallons,
Stand back, stand back!
You are second physical on the road. You are 2 minutes, 24 seconds behind the leader. The next truck is 45 seconds behind you.
Stand by, thank you.
Menzies.